People in the fish line, I think we have a speaker over there, so you don't have to move. We won't get you out of line. Welcome everybody to the trade fair. Before we begin, we're going to open with a couple of remarks from the garrison commander and the Minister of Natural Resources and Commerce, Mr. John Silk, followed by a quick announcement by me where I'll let you guys know one of the events that we'll have here. But without any further ado, Colonel Pugsley.
Iakwe, first and foremost, I want to appreciate everyone coming out today. I appreciate you taking time out on this lovely day to come here and appreciate, to share, to listen and to learn some key information and unbelievably handcrafted trades from our partners, right? So I appreciate Minister Silk joining us today. Lady Kabua, thank you very much. Honorable Mayor Laddie Jack from Madro is visiting today. Today is one of those unbelievable opportunities where we get an opportunity to share, really to spend some time with our neighbors and our hosts here in the RMI, right? And so it's been 18 years since the first trade fair began. We took a year off last year because of COVID, and unfortunately that had an impact and it was duly missed within the community, right? So we were able to bring that back. We're really excited to offer up an opportunity for the community here on Kwajalein to share and to spend some time with our host nations up here. And so we have a lot of vendors, a lot of friends and family for both Ibai and Madro here sharing their goods and their trades today. A lot of fresh foods, a lot of lobster, a lot of unique fishes, which we have don't have the easiest opportunity getting here on the island, and an unbelievable host and selection of handicrafts, crafts, art, and the like. And so I do appreciate everyone coming out today, spending the time. Being here early is probably smart from what I've heard. There's a lot of the key trades and goods go pretty quickly, so good for you for being here today. Again, I appreciate it. Minister, I appreciate you being here today with us today. Of course, Lanny and Mayor, thank you very much. I hope you enjoy the festivities for the rest of the day. And with that, again, thank you. I'm going to go and pass it off to Minister Silk. Please, sir.
Thank you, Colonel Buxley. A very short statement, but Colonel Buxley, I don't know where Senator Muller is, but Senator Muller is somewhere, maybe at the fish line over there. Zeleny Kabua, Mayor Laddie Jack, distinguished guest, Kwajalein. And then Colonel Buxley, well, there's the senator over there. Okay. Like Colonel Buxley said, this has been an ongoing activity every year. The last 18 years, we skipped last year. But you know, it all started in 2003 when Jerry Brown and Colonel Brown was here. And we collaborated with Mike Kabua then and Antonio Elio from the Ministry of, from the Chief Secretary's office and myself. We were the first to open the first fair. Back then it was called the Farmers Market. But throughout the years the name had changed. But the premise of it is still there, remains the same. To promote Marshallese handicrafts, skills, promote market and fisheries, and promote also the interaction between the Marshallese community and the American community on Kwajalein, and promote people-to-people exchange of ideas. So that has been the premise of this trade fair since 2003, and it remains the same. Although the name had changed. I remember when we first had it, it was across from the old post office and what they used to call the snack bar back then. But things have changed. But the idea is still the same, to promote interaction between the communities and to promote our crafts, and promote the fisheries and promote our farmers to bring their ware to Kwajalein and show the people of the community on Kwajalein what they can do with the handicrafts that they have. These are some of the best handicrafts that you will ever find in the entire Pacific. It's here. So take the opportunity to go look around, pick as many as you want, and open up your wallet. But regardless, I want to say on behalf of all of us, the Marshallese community, thank you, Colonel, and your team for organizing this event again, and for your hospitality. And so, again, without further ado, Komol out, Royal Mero Arailingin, Irada, Dua, and Mero Richard Narajana, and Danjin Moral Daran and all of our Iba Rogarjin Kawaran in Kwajalein. Anijin Kajaraman Kumojan and Kajaramanin, Unkanjin.
Thank you, Minister. Thank you, Colonel. Before we open, I just want to let you guys know the Ministry of Natural Resources and Commerce has graciously provided a few gifts that they will give away at the end of the event tomorrow. So when you go into the building here, you'll get a ticket, write your name on it, kind of like we did for the Arts and Crafts Fair the other week. Put your name in. At the end of the events tomorrow, they'll announce the winners. And I think the grand prize, they told me, was 2 tickets round trip to Majuru. That's the grand prize. There's a couple other little gifts that they'll give away too. But I know everyone's waiting in anticipation for everything else, so we'll begin. Thank you, everybody. Have a good trade fair.
Teman-teman, yang oleh Kempergilo Kwajalein and 18th trade fair. You know, I'm low all the product come in Majal can handicraft long on fruits, long on vegetable, long on fish, all of I'm with them product can minimum can long Majal Yerin with Pelan. So it's only an Alman I go you remember. No, I'm low pool or Kubado. Tata army union in Kwajalein, and hopefully in a real of Eugene rainy Inej, you can come out on you and again and very real all of Magadu and rainy. And Pajonal Komol all of and Iakwe all of Pilo, Talakan Lalin, Talakan Majan, Komol.
Right?
Daim poni kalmai, ai chunering telot, jaga ut tampong jaga, ai to kitian turus pa, jarun biang ani mana, Komol.
Iakwe, kadain di lamari ngai terusane. Misko market lo yubai, kemardo kemiliaran, helang kein menin carbalogan, haro yilo, Kwajalein, menugo, mereka pun wajar, enot, ani monogo, sebagai inuit, kalau perdan obong, wood, relin majal, in menin, lapakan ini Sisa ini menurut anangan liak, anangan wood. Ini adalah cuci ni yang mana? Ibu jual, ibu larang Kim, belum mana nak macam orang promodi. Kein cara balik ini talan kein aralan ni. Jaga jep jalan kaki, rainin jenarong long jalan ke, jaga ber remaja. Ini not, ani jen kaya raman tu ni.
Lain diorani, saya juga di sini. Terinan, Kwajalein, cuma lagi terinan, itu nak terus. Kan, kalau main, dia belajar, dia biar kali oleh beli. Jadi kau ni, kau main jen, dia jenengan. Iakwe, ganun. Well, tayo Lizzie Benjamin nakacar pala happy yung iuyaga kay animono ornament. When nakachujo kay animono din kachujo ailo. Aur mono wajje ailo. Yung walang parchabier, kumanjan ailo mabuhat. Yo kanan order etieno de la ngachabi. Hindi na Komol.
Iakwe olive, nabay niya Komol. Well, ito kung organize the web from dapat yung chiligan out kami mo out juon pero nanti stage kemudian kami mau kan last minute itu pun ng kami mau italo yun na the first feature trade fair ginoga ini naman jadi na opportunity ng display wiyara ichibang wiyara mo so next year we're going to develop at organize and gather more animal yung represent Elephant Handicraft Shop yung kein kajungo chimay nar popular lo Kwajalein Trade Fair lo puto yung jadi uyaga kay ani monoko kamanjen kein majo elang obong elang yep kege maramar bangle put kein na kolo Christmas tree chiling kap men ko yer lakon mall.
Taidok lo kein Komol Kwajalein food picture kaptau penjelar kuwado ko kendon ngan kodok menin mengain na karero lo dajero ka bocerar kamani palok jon taben ginay erin tanig magad gabi nganir lo dan ol ben karero le rada kuwado ko kendon awe kung din ang mall kanang palero siriyan ngan al palok ito ka kanengar idongan yun kanar kodok mengain ngan palok taben ngan karero ka yon dajero ka bocerar
Iakwe, tayong Jukulit, Assistant Manager ng Investment Promotion no OCIT. We have here a couple brochures and promote the investment promotion in the tourism. Yung ganan ni Aramjin Kwajalein, President in Kwajalein, nga ganan tangan medyo anywhere in the RMI, brochure game, ramarong palok. Yakay ramarong tangan niya. Kapiduro ka kanil. Komol.